This is a follow-up to my PXN V3 review to answer questions regarding setup and how to make it work on your console. If you find this video useful, a like and a subscribe is appreciated. There are a number of wires to be connected, so let's break it down. First, we have the steering wheel wire. Next, we have another wire to connect our console controller, and then we have the foot pedal. The wire from the steering wheel goes directly to the USB port of your console. The wire from the foot pedal goes to the right side of the steering wheel. So there's an elongated part here that you need to stick it in. With the provided micro USB to USB cable, connect your wireless controller to the steering wheel. So there's a USB port on the left side of the steering wheel. So as you can see, our steering wheel now acts as our controller. But of course, we'll have to test it out in a game. So I'll show you that in a bit. For the demo, we'll be playing Forza Motorsport 6. So I'm using layout 6 in the control configuration. So we're using the LT, RT as brake and accelerator, and that corresponds to the brake and accelerator of the pedals. As you can see, the accelerator responds accordingly depending on how lightly or hard you step on it. We're obviously not trying to win the game. I'm just showing you how responsive the control is. Hope I was able to answer your questions regarding the steering wheel controller. Till the next video, stay safe. Bye-bye.